Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply percentage formula on Microsoft Excel. To apply percentage formula on Microsoft Excel, first open your Microsoft Excel on your PC. Now here you can see I have mentioned some of the percentage problems on the left side. Similarly, I have created column for number, percentage as well as apply where we are going to apply the formula. Now on the number column, you need to enter the number in which you want to apply percentage. In the percentage column, add the percentage number. After this, go to your apply column and then on the given box, press on equals to. Then enter the bracket. After this, click on the number box and then enter star. After this, click on percentage box. With this, now close the bracket. Then enter /100. After you do so, press on enter. With this, now here you'll be able to see that the percentage formula has been applied. Now here you can fill in the number and percentage number on the given respective boxes. After you complete doing so, now go to the apply box in which you just applied your percentage formula. Then on the corner, you'll be able to find a small plus icon. Now drag the small plus icon. Then you'll be able to see that the formula that you had just applied for the first box will work on all the numbers. As you can see here, the percentage formula has been applied to all the problems mentioned on the given box. This is how we can apply percentage formula on Microsoft Excel. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.